Okay, now it's readable. Okay, let me start all over again, guys. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. I had some problem with the microphone, so I needed to set it up again. Hope you all can hear me clearly. I tested it myself on another computer, so I think we are good. But if you cannot hear me, I don't know how you. Let me place a message here somewhere. Welcome to the live reading session. Not hear my voice. Please message here. All right. So we are good. So let's get started with our daily analysis. Okay. Something happened to our workspace, looks like. I cannot see. Yesterday was a red day. So this signifies a red day. And today it came down again and picked up the liquidity from the bottom. So question is it going to go higher? It could. Today. So I have taken delete previous drawing tools from here. And yeah, so it's towards the bottom of previous day's a low, and here let me put it 2 minutes. Here it's 1 minute. Both are funded accounts. I'll place my trade here and here. ATR is currently around 20. I'm going to take a trade at in this account.
Order filled.
I have placed a trade now.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Just to show you guys, I have placed a trade here on this account. It's kind of risky, but okay, I have to manage if market does not go my way. So with that, let's see where the market is. I've taken a short trade here. Not a great idea, greatest of ideas, but again on 5-minute chart I just see this pinball or whatever you call it. I forgot the names of these bars. So let me see the 4-hour chart, see possible let me increase this transparency here, color available mode, fine. Let me get rid of this. This is done. This is done. This. So next, where the market would likely go. Market would like to come back to this level. And this is a significant support line. Like this whole thing could be a support. So market is at the support line, so we have to see if it goes back up to this level. It should. I feel it's going to go back to this level. If it breaks down, which cannot be ruled out, okay, let's look at bigger picture now. Breaking down is also possible. So here, let me draw my prediction, which has been not that accurate, but this is my new way of looking at things, so I'll regardless do it. So this is what is going to happen. Market is here. Market will go here, touch here, and then fall down. This is one scenario. The other one is the other scenario would be this is the other scenario. So let's see which scenario plays out. I'm back to 1-hour chart. That's a solid 5-minute candle. And this pivot high would be 448, so about 70 points. It's at 70 points. So 70 points of risk. It's kind of 1:1 kind of trade. If it 70 points is like $140 of risk. I have taken. So Alright, so to make the charts look less messy, I'm going to turn off order flow VWAP line. Okay, then that makes it cleaner. I'll turn on my software, which I updated yesterday again to make things better. One issue I was not able to solve for more than 3 years. I think I was able to solve it yesterday. I think. So I'm taking a trade here. I'm fiddling in the middle for sure. I'm closing it. It's not the right idea. $25 of loss. It's like market is doesn't know where it wants to go. In hindsight, I should have waited. but that's okay. This is a funded account. This is an injured account. It's about 700 or 800 below its peak. So that's the reason I'm being very careful with this account. So $25 of loss, that's okay. I can recover with one trade. I'll wait for market to come to my level. And that's my level. Okay, let me turn so this trade is in profit now. Market grab liquidity from this level and
Order canceled.
trying to go to next level of liquidity. If you look at this range, it sold here and will perhaps like to buy here. Should I turn the swing levels also off for the time being? Or maybe super trend also off. Maybe I'll keep swing levels on and super trend off. How about that? Or maybe even swing levels off. Just an attempt to keep the charts look clean. Oh well, 321 target. Okay, I had adjusted the target. Did I? It wasn't an automated trade. So it was a manual trade. Yeah, I clearly missed that move. Now I can place a stop here. I don't like this
Stop.
accumulation here, so I stop it because market could trace back all the way. And just to let you know, guys, from overnight, trading, I incurred $91 of loss here. So, um, 91 overnight. So I have to add this back to my numbers today when I show the final numbers, because this is not part of live. So not live, not part of live trading. So I want to show results only of the live trading sessions here. So 77 was just in this trade we were having. So it's going down, so I'll again go back into the market.
Order submitted.
It's a slow grind. I missed one trade here and exited, thinking market might go up, but in fact it's coming down nicely. So now it's too late for me to short. I did short some here. So let's see if we get a trade from this automated software. It'll take a trade if price touches this green line. The market is below yesterday's close. I just missed a trade by a couple of ticks. Okay, a trade should come here. Contrarian, 20 ticks to short. It shows the size of the current bar in terms of ticks. The trade was missed here. So if I take a regular trade, I could get a trade here.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Is the trade here? Just wanted to show you guys. So I've taken this trade. And it automatically adjusted it's auto calculated the target, and well, no, it did not. Somehow it did not calculate the target. It's a default target. Still not sure how. Sometimes this works, sometimes it does not. This time it did not work. I had to check the software again.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
And the two together should be a profitable trade. Oh, it's profitable because, but one trade was taken manually, so it's not showing that.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, that trade got closed here. This one was closed on different account. This one, it'll just miss the target by a tick. Maybe touch the price and then left.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
this is closed again. So 65. All right, now it's coming down further. Oh gosh, I missed this trade so bad on this account. So anyway, so that trade was $116, and the one which was negative is now positive, $29. So I mentioned I started with overnight $91 of loss, is turned positive to 29. So at the end I'm going to add this $91 to my total, because this account during live trading made $120. This one made $116 so far, and here I have loss of $25. I have to watch out for a possible reversal here. People have bought the liquidity, and now it would like to go back up. So depending on the speed of the candle, I will know. I'll decide whether to short or not. Looking at 15-minute chart, still consider market to be bearish. So here I had to be very patient. I do not want to jump into a trade here. If market comes back to my level, that's good. And it's 8 o'clock here.
Order filled.
Okay, some trade was taken. Oh yeah. Okay, so here now trade got auto adjusted. The target became 1.5 times the ATR. ATR is around 12, which is like a 48 ticks. 1.5 times the 48 ticks is 72. So that's exactly what it is. It's at 72 now.
Target filled.
$108. This is neat. I'm going to flatten this. We could just focus here. It was a good breakdown. I'm on default strategy.
Order filled.
Right, one more trade here. Come on. Just a little more. Gosh, it touches and leaves. touches and leaves. Come on. Shoot. Touches and leaves. Twice, thrice it did.
Target filled.
Finally. Fourth attempt. 3 times it touched target and left. $115 here now. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something. All right. So this is the cheat sheet to decide what kind of trades to take. Default trades.
Filled.
Okay, this was one more $114 of profit here. So it's a software is taking trades automatically. I left it on auto trade mode. So last 3 trades it took automatically. So what I was saying here was oops. Right. So this kind of gives us the cheat sheet as to what kind of trades to take and when. So market is in this position. So I taking D trades. D stands for default. And slowly I will get to C trades. That's a contrarian. All right. So from D I can go for trend trades, which sometimes I do. but not at this moment. But I'll wait for one more trade I will take, and after that I will change to contrarian. Once market starts to consolidate, I might take a churn trade and then churn scalper or super scalper. So we provide the cheat sheet as well as to what kind of trades to take. Yeah, I considered the market to be in this at this place than this place. There are reasons for that, because it's moving away from VWAP. Let's see where the VWAP is. That's just one of the rules. It's not the hard rule. I don't know where VWAP is. You can see this. Something happened to this VWAP. VWAP is supposed to be green. Let me see if I have this problem in other account. Yeah, I'm not able to see VWAP. Should something happen to... I will test it. Oh, VWAP line is not working. All right, this contrarian trade scenario.
Order filled.
Target got auto adjusted. So the software now adapts to the market condition. So this is the condition I saw, and I switched my trade to contrarian trade. Churn trade I will take only if market stays here for some time. market pulls up, goes way high like this, then I will turn on a super scalp, churn scalper or super scalper. Both do the same thing. There is mild variation, but that's not part of this discussion. That's advanced discussion.
Order filled.
Okay, it's on. It can take multiple trades actually. SL auto adjust allows you to take multiple trades.
Target filled.
I am closing that. To reduce my risk. Check a VWAP line is disabled. Some point of time I have to average things down.
Target filled.
Target filled, $69 here. So 450 we are at. Market mode.
Order filled.
I've taken a manual trade. In this account. That sound is basically indication of a long candle formation. It is a 179 tick candle. So that's why it chimed. It indicates that, okay, market is tried to go in one particular direction. So that alerts us whether to follow, continue to trade in that direction or make a decision. It's just an indicator for us to make a decision what to do in that kind of situation. that market has moved significantly in short amount of time. Sometimes it's sign of reversals too.
Order submitted.
Market is going to open in 10 minutes, and therefore it's trying to prepare for possible showdown. So here is the chart. So this I provide as this is a kind of flyer, it's a blueprint. Hmm. I'm kind of resisting taking trades here because market could go up or down too. Market is going to open in like for 6 minutes. Let's see where things are with automated trader. This trade I have to manage, but automated trader is not taking trades at this moment because it cannot take short trades with default strategy because price is above 21 SMA. Once it comes down below 21 SMA, it could start taking trades. So now what should be my strategy? Churn scalper. I could use CS. CS, that's a churn scalper strategy. It's going to open way below the market. Yesterday's close, I mean. It has possibly picked up the liquidity from the bottom and it could go up. Three and a quarter minutes to go before market opens, the New York session. I don't know why they call it New York session. I like to call it Chicago session because I live in Chicago. And the majority of future trading, a lot of futures trading happens in Chicago. The CME is in Chicago. Ninjatrader is in Chicago. CME Group, the world's leading derivatives marketplace, offering futures and options products across assets classes like interest rates, equities, and commodities. CBOE Futures Exchange, a hub for innovative products focused on volatility, credit, and cryptocurrency futures. So both are in Chicago. So I would like to call this a Chicago session, not New York session. Chicago session is going to start in less than 2 minutes. I'm stuck in one trade here. I want to be able to get out of it. Churn scalper. Let's see if it gives us any opportunity. It should give us a trade here. The market is trying to be bullish at the market open. Chicago session open. Question is, should I continue to short, or on this account I should go long? I'm stuck in a short position in one of the accounts here. Market has opened.
Order filled.
Come on, take it, close it.
Target filled.
Yes,
Order canceled.
yes, I'm out of this trade. Uh, Here I want to see churn scalper. No, it won't be churn scalper. Picked up the liquidity, wants to go up. Pausing trading here. I want to focus here to see what the possibilities are. Already flatten it. $138. Should I go? I'm going to go full
Order
Monty
filled.
on this. Let me show you guys what I mean. Here,
Target filled.
here, Come on, some more.
Order filled.
Okay, this has been taken. Let's see what's going on. Oh, it has been taken here.
Connection lost.
What is that?
Order filled. So I have a trade here and I have a trade here. These two trades I have taken just with one micro. Where is my market likely to go? It already picked up some liquidity. It could go again here, or is it going to crash further down? Don't know. Could it go all the way up here? Maybe it will try to go up there to grab more liquidity. If that happens, better place might stop there. For some reason, market is pausing, not dropping. Drop, market, drop. This formula I've never understood. Stops are taken so easily, but later I feel that okay, it was shouldn't have been that way. Okay, so that's what I think market will come to pick liquidity from there and then go back down. Yeah, that's what it's doing. Trying to grab liquidity from wherever it can. Come on, little more. Yes. Now it could go up to here as well. So first few candles we got to take very small small profits, and once those small profits are confirmed, we can aim for bigger profits. Crash. We're done. We'll place this trade again here. Again to this level. Play back and forth a couple of times. So 263 here now. Yeah, next level will be higher than the previous level. So this is how we trade. Question is the market gonna go higher or go lower? At least at this moment it's in this range. The attempt is to go higher, clearly. The attempt is to go higher. I am going to let it go higher and then short. Did not touch this high though, the day high. If it closes red, then the attempt is to go lower. If somewhere halfway, then it means it hasn't decided yet. There is a VWAP level since market open. I want to short. Shorted.
Again, it's trying to go higher. Should have waited. In hindsight, things are so clear. Things are so clear in hindsight. All right. Please give me this low of this red candle. Come down. Come down fast. All right. Still, I'm at 305. Don't know what the market is doing. It's like once I saw a YouTube video. In this range, the guy makes $1 million in this up and down. He showed like within it was 5-10 minutes. It was so amazing to see that. So yeah, if I knew what market is going to do, I would have made, if not million, maybe 10,000. This is becoming narrower and narrower, and it could break out to any in one direction. Wicks are becoming longer, body is becoming smaller. So that's a sign of a good breakout in one particular direction. Let me see where this is forming. Point of control. Market is at point of control. Don't know the possibility where it's likely to go. One hour, it will depend on how the 1 hour closes in 5 minutes. I'll go to my safe zone.
Order filled.
What was that? What was that? Okay, this one. Okay, so market decided to go up.
Order filled.
Ooh. That's not pretty. Is it going to come down or what? I'm flattening it. 226, lost some $100, but that's okay. Here I have to focus because I'm open with 3 contracts here. I need an exit room.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Did the right thing by closing this trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. Okay, I'll close one and wait for next opportunity. So I came out of one trade here by DCIing aggressively. I'm out of this trade. Made some profit as well in the process. So I'll do the same here. Once market reaches here, I'll aggressively DCA and try to come out.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Hasn't really worked much, but the cost has been reduced, which is a good thing. Cost of acquisition.
Order filled. Order filled.
Expect the market to come down here. Make a big stretch to the upside and then come down to VWAP level. Let me see here what's going on. Can I take a trade here? I better take a trade here. I'll wait for it to go back up.
Order filled.
You'll want to come out of it. Okay. Come on, come down. Yes. I'm out. I'll go back in again here. Lot of bullishness in the market. I'll wait for one more push higher. Maybe I'll wait till this 233 MA line. Here you go. I am not taking smaller profit this time. Hmm. Oh, I want this price to come down to VWAP level. Once that happens, I will DCA again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, it's not been closed. Should have been closed by now. Gosh. I thought it came down enough for it to get closed. Crash. Yes.
Order filled.
All right. Come down crashing. What do I say about it? It came so close and then went back up. Market is going to the open. It will reach the open, then only it will turn around. Or no, it's in a hanging in the middle state. It has already gone up quite a bit, and to go to the open means the market open, which was 5 p.m. Central last night. It needs to make a bigger push, about 140 points more. So it cannot go any further without coming down. It has to come down crashingly and then start going back up. Needs to make a V-shaped move. I'm not trading the automated trader $450 here, and I'm focusing on my other trades. So this account is profitable, but it was peaked at 320 something and then came down from there. got to come down. Whether it comes down crashing or comes down slowly, painfully, with back and forth chop. That's the question. So if we look at, compare it with this chart, I expect it to come down to 522 level. So 546, 530, at least this level it should come down to. Slip down, yes. Come down more. Come down more. Slip down. Shoot. Ah, that's the reaction.
Order filled.
Okay, let me do my other stuff. Is it going to crash? Crash landing would be nice. So 500, 29,500 could be a good support level. So let me play for that. So that is this level, but then we have VWAP. If it comes here, it should come down here as well to VWAP levels. So I have 3 more trades to go. 3 more contracts. This is a good sign. This candle is a good sign. So if it closes in red, then it should come down all this to this level. So far looks good, but we never know. 20 more seconds to go before the candle can close. Three more seconds. Yeah, hopefully this is a good candle. Now let me turn my contrarian trades on here. Oops.
Order
Let me
filled.
close it. Oh. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. Some more loss to be recovered. Almost there. Come on. Just one quantity left. You can come down. You have come down this far. You can come down more. Mr. Market, you can do it. Now, the question is it going to come down and stop here, or it will come down all the way this here? So that's an important question to ask. I have one trade open, one of these accounts. First, let me take the target. Flatten it. So I'm back to profit, recovered all my losses, and all right. So this is how we trade with Sliver Bullet trading system, which includes automated training, training for manual trading, and funded programs. We teach you how to trade the right way, and for any reason your trade goes against you, you will be taught how to manage your trade. So here one account I profited. This account here I got closed after market turned. So I'm going to take a short break and come back. And here is what I want to show you guys so far. 800 and couple of $1,000 on NT, and 268, $20, close to 300. Here nothing. So about
Not great, but 1300, close to 1300 guys, any day you will take it, right? Oh, we have one trade open. This contrarian trade. Let's be aware of it. And ready to DCA. Question is, should I short here? I will resist a bit. Today is not as fluid a day as last 2 days when we made good profit. So I can take a short here actually. Let me try a different account. Okay, this trade got closed for $259. So we are at 710. So this is a new feature of our, disabled. So I did not change the target. I kept it at 650. So this has changed. So I'm going to restart. refresh, reload, contrarian, restart. So this adjusts the target and stop automatically based on the market condition, based on ATR. And that's why you saw $259 of profit with 3 micros. Automated trading is with 3 micros. Earlier we used to do with minis, but with volatility having gone up, we reduced it to 3 micros, which is doing well. And that's allowing us to take bigger targets. Earlier we used to come out for 21 takes and things like that, but we are taking much bigger targets. So what I'm going to do next, I am in one trade. So what I'm going to let me show you guys what I'm in one trade. Which one is it? Okay, here I have a DCA to come out. Let me show you where the market open was. Market opened 7. Market opened here. Now, what day is it? 8, 6, 5. Okay, so this is where market opened. So last evening. So currently the price is pushing to go up to that level. And here is a big rejection. So we can play for this. We can short all this area. And be confident to do well. Actually, I'm going to take a trade here.
very, very small profits I'm aiming for, because I don't know market direction. Market is above VWAP, but it's also at flattening 21 SMA. So 295 here. In fact, I should take a short trade. I'm not going to. Market has played games with me many times. Okay, one trade got closed here. This trade got closed. $65 there. You know what? I'm going to take a trade here. Small target, not too much, just 50 bucks. Give me 50 bucks. Tiny 50 bucks. Nope, I'm just closing it. Whatever I get, 20 bucks. Yeah, I should have stayed, but that's okay. I playing defensive. Very, very defensive. And there is a reason for it. Market would stagnate and then reverse big time. What it did here. So for all you know, it will come down and go further down. It's again consolidating. In 5 minutes, we'll know what, depending on how this candle closes, we will know. If it closes red, then definitely market will come down to this level. What should I trade? Okay, let's compare it to this diagram. What does it say? Where we are? We are in this area. So contrarian or maybe default. We cross that zone. We crossed that contrarian zone. This was contrarian zone. So now I'm going to trade default trades. Because market comes down, it will come down nicely. But it's not coming down, it's going back up. And this is why I decided not to trade this account. I don't have much room, VWAP being acting as a support.
So what shall I do, guys? Market is kind of stalling. I want to end the session. Haven't traded a whole lot. Yeah, after this big candle, I should have aggressively shorted, but I was busy managing the trades here, so I could not take advantage of the situation. My guess is market is going to come down to these levels. It could make a push to the upside, then come down. That's highly likely. So to that scenario, I'll remove this. I'll keep these two open. All right, my break is over. So now
Order filled. Connection lost.
all right, guys. So nothing much to talk about. We can trade using. Oops. Oh, there is one trade still open. Looks like here. Yeah. Okay. So default trades I'm taking. Was I supposed to take default trades? Yeah, default trades is fine. So a contrarian trade would have been good too.
Target filled.
Okay, $222. So as you see, we have increased our chances, means a profit almost doubled the profit potential. Earlier, I used to trade with 89 ticks standard, which would give $130 of profit with 3 contracts, but now it dynamically adjusts. So the software has become very powerful now. You can see the total profit here, which is 483, and individual trade profits here. So let me start summarizing. Or shall I take some more trades? At least let me start summarizing trading day of trading day here. I need about $400 in this account to be able to withdraw. So 295 here, 43 here, so that's 340. Only 340 on Quant Tower and okay. QT plus Volumetrica. Ninjatrader is $13.52, 319. That is 1670. 1670, 1670 plus 160 plus 65. 160 plus 65. 1895. Okay. So this was the negative 91 overnight, so I need to add that 91 here because that doesn't show up, did not show up in this number in 1352. That number 91 did not show up, so I need to add this number. So the total is all three put together 1895 plus 91 plus 240. So 2225, around it to nearest 5. This is the total. Okay, total across and this is the total for Ninjatrader, which is 1985 dollars. That's Ninjatrader. So another decent day, 2025 total. And with that, I would like to end today's trading session. Thank you for joining. We'll meet again same time Monday for another live trading session. Until then, have a great weekend. Bye now.